In this video, we will discuss what are the important attributes of innate immune system. We will discuss what is the response time. We will discuss what are the different types of cells, for example, phagocytes that are involved in the innate immune system. We will also discuss the soluble components of the blood, and we will also discuss the specificity of this immune system. I hope this video lecture is going to help you to understand the different attributes of the innate immunity. Before we start the lecture, if you are new to the channel, then please do subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, then hit the like button. Alright, with that note, let's start the lecture. Our topic for today's lecture is attributes of innate immunity. Basically, we will be discussing innate immune system in little bit more details. In this video, I will try to point out towards some of the important attributes. First attribute is response time. That means how much time it takes for an innate immune system to respond. In this case, specifically in case of innate immune system, it is in minutes or maximum in hours, right? But in case of adaptive immune system, it can take days. And the second attribute of the innate immunity is what are the major cell types that are involved in our innate immune system. So I'm making the diagram of cell to represent the cellular attributes. In this case, we have phagocytes, mainly monocytes, macrophages, NK cells. You know what are NK cells, right? Natural killer cells. And then you have epithelial cells as well as endothelial cells. These all play important role as the cellular attributes of innate immunity. Point number 3. What is the memory response in case of innate immunity? Is there any kind of memory response present in case of our innate immune system? The answer is maybe in some cases, especially in case of NK cells, there might be some kind of rudimentary memory response, but most of the time there is no memory for the innate immunity. But in case of adaptive system, you have well-developed memory system. Fourth, self versus non-self. What is the difference between the self and the non-self in case of innate immune system? So the answer is yes, it can differentiate between self and the non-self component of the immune system. So there is less failure in this case. But in case of adaptive system, you have more chances of failure. Attribute number 5 is soluble component of the blood. Means what are the components that are soluble, that are present in blood, that plays an important role in case of innate immunity? The answer for that is antimicrobial peptides, AMPs, antimicrobial peptides, antimicrobial proteins, and other chemicals like cytokines. They play a very important role in case of the innate immune system. Attribute number 6. What is the specificity? Means how specific is our innate immune system. It detects the PAMP molecules, PAMPs, which are pathogen associated molecular patterns. These are the important attributes of the innate immune system. I hope now you understand what is the response time, major cell type, memory response, self versus non-self, and specificity. These are all really important attributes of innate immunity. So I hope this video lecture was helpful for you to understand the attributes of innate immune system. I hope the video was helpful for you to understand the different attributes of the innate immune system. We have discussed the response time, we have discussed the cellular attributes, different types of soluble components of the blood, and we also discussed that what is the ability of the innate immunity to differentiate between self and non-self. If you're new to the channel, then please do subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, then please hit the like button.